Hello and welcome to Canada Immigration Insights, and thank you for tuning in. Today we are bringing you the latest update in regards to the express entry system. So on June 29, 2021, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada announced a significant change to the express entry system. So till June 29, if you were in the express entry system and you receive an invitation to apply, you had 90 days to submit your application for permanent residence. At the start of the pandemic, the invitation to apply period for permanent residence was increased from 60 to 90 days to provide clients with additional time to prepare their applications in response to challenges they faced in acquiring the necessary documentation. This update is only going to apply to people who receive an invitation to apply from June 29 onwards. If you receive an invitation to apply, you are now only going to have 60 days to submit your application for permanent residence. So, this is very important for people to keep in mind if they are currently in the express entry system, because in those 60 days, you'll have to have all of your documents together, fill out on your online application forms, and submit the application. Or else, you will lose that invitation to apply and go back into the express entry system. Suppose you choose to decline it. If you don't drop it, then you'll just be removed from the system. So 60 days still seems like a lot of time, but depending on what kind of documents you need to get in terms of police clearances, medical exams, letters of employment, those things can take some time to get together. So if you're currently in the express entry system and you think that you will be receiving an invitation to apply, you should check what's required after you receive an ITA and start accumulating those required documents to make sure that you have everything ready. So again, from June 29 onwards, anyone who receives an invitation to apply, you're only going to have 60 days to submit your application for permanent residence as opposed to the previous deadline, which was 90 days. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated with all the latest Canadian immigration news and updates.